It's recovery day in the Be Healthy Enough studio, and recovery days are not for sissies. Stick with me as I share 4 benefits and why recovery days must be a part of your over 50 exercise plans. Hello, it's Amy from Be Healthy Enough, doing what I love to do, sharing my knowledge and experience to inspire you to find what being healthy enough means to you. It is Strength Training Month in the Be Healthy Enough community. And along with learning the importance of strength training, picking up those weights, and the best way to start if you're over 50 without getting hurt, I'm also going to try to break some old habits of not getting enough recovery time. I used to roll my eyes at those older people in my life that told me all about their aches and pains and that they couldn't do the exercises that I was doing anymore. What? Were they lazy? Then I hit 50 and a funny thing happened. I was that older person. My body did not respond to exercise as it did earlier in my life, and fatigue, muscle joint started to creep in, and of course those crazy injuries, you guys know the ones I'm talking about, where you have no idea what you did. That started to happen to me. Does this sound familiar? Unfortunately, it's not your imagination. It happens to the best of us as a natural consequence of aging. So what do? You can't stop aging. I wish we could. You keep exercising, of course, but don't follow those old rules and feel like that old person if you take 1 or even 2 days in between a tough workout. I've been learning with great pleasure that rest days are just as important as exercise. In fact, a well-balanced workout plan for us women of a certain age isn't complete without rest days. When you exercise, especially doing a strength training workout, you're actually causing microscopic tears in your muscle tissue. During rest, this muscle tissue is given a chance to heal and grow, resulting in stronger muscles. Rest also allows your body time to replenish its energy stores, so you're even more prepared for your next workout. Not convinced yet? Here are 4 benefits of those rest days. Number 1 is it prevents muscle fatigue. Have you ever done way too much and the next day you just can't move? And it's not that you're sore, you're just tired. Rest is necessary for avoiding exercise-induced fatigue. Exercise depletes your energy, and if this energy isn't replaced, you may feel just super tired the next day, or worse, really sore. That's the worst part. The second benefit of a rest day is it reduces your risk of injury. I've seen it happen in my clients, in group class attendees, and even in myself. As we get tired, our form goes out the window. We recruit muscles to help, such as our low back and our neck, which can lead to pain for the next several days, or worse, you can get a long-term injury. When you're tired, you're also more likely to develop an overuse injury, such as a strain or a tear, that may force you to take even more rest days, and we don't want that. Third is that rest days may give you a better workout. Have you ever noticed how easy it is to work out after you've taken a long weekend break or even a longer vacation? I thought the opposite would happen if I didn't religiously keep up with my exercise on vacation. It's not true, and I know that after a nice 2 or 3 days of a break from strength training, I'm much more motivated to do that extra rep or try that heavier weight or push myself just a little bit more. And benefit number 4 is better sleep. Have you heard me talk about cortisol? If not, you haven't watched many of my videos because I talk about it all the time. It's our stress hormone, the one that we need to help our body deal with stress or run away from danger if we have to. Exercise increases your cortisol, and lots of exercise can cause an overproduction. High levels of cortisol can make it really hard to get good quality sleep, which then can worsen fatigue and exhaustion. I had this happen just the other day. I was doing way too much and I could not fall asleep, or my sleep was very fitful. Fitful, is that a word? Rest days can help you regulate your hormones, which may help you sleep better. Okay, so now you're convinced, right? So what does a rest day look like? I know you'd love me to say that a good rest day is being lazy on the couch, binge watching Netflix. And while yes, I do prescribe that if you're not feeling well or if you really pushed hard, like I did that yesterday and I filmed 3 workout videos. It was only supposed to be 2, but my camera glitched halfway through, so I had to do that last one. So upset. My goal of a good recovery day is to rest, but also make sure you get some movement. And more importantly, that movement should reduce stress. I call these active recovery days. My favorites are a good stretch, a lower intensity Pilates workout, or a cardio, or a nice hike, or walk, or a ride on, we got new e-bikes, I love them, or doing some housework or some yard work. Over the last few months, I've filmed several active recovery and stretch videos in the Be Healthy Enough online exercise platform. Last one I did on the cliffs of San Onofre overlooking the Pacific Ocean, and another one I just did in Death Valley, and I'm so proud of how those looked. I've got several nature videos now, and I love how they turn out. If you'd like to try one, I'll leave you that link below. There are also things called passive recovery, and I use these when I really need a good rest or my muscles are just really sore. Foam rolling is now my all-time favorite thing to do, not just on my recovery days, but most days. I won't go into a lot of details here, but if you'd like to learn more, I did a video on the benefits of foam rolling. That link is below. And as well as I'll show you the link to my favorite foam roller right now. In the Be Healthy Enough online exercise platform, I also have several foam rolling videos to guide you through this process. It's not real complicated, but I help you through it. Another amazing thing for a passive recovery day is to get a massage. While foam rolling is a do-it-yourself massage, what a treat it is to have someone else do all the work. I know with COVID, I've been skimping on these self-care treats, but if you're extremely tight and sore and full of tension and stress, you might want to consider investing in a massage. If a regular massage is completely out of the question, but you feel like you need a bit more, you might want to try one of these popular percussive massage guns. Don't they look like a construction tool? But let me tell you, they feel amazing. Percussive therapy is a massage technique designed to treat soft tissue pain, and it's often done using these massage guns that deliver a strong pulse and vibrations into the muscle tissue. It's light, let me show you. It's light, it's easy to hold, and you don't do any of the work. You just let it glide. Oh, that feels good. You let it glide over the spots. I need to stop. I got this one for Christmas maybe 2 years ago. It's called Sumgot massage gun. There's a ton out there, and I started using it to help my hips, and now my husband using it for his back and his shoulder. I've been told that it can also help with cellulite, but I've not done any testing on this, and there is so much marketing crap out there about cellulite. I don't even want to touch that topic. Maybe if I start seeing some results, I'll share with you, because yes, even a personal trainer that exercises all the time has cellulite. And lastly, a wonderful passive recovery activity is to take an Epsom salt bath. Epsom salt contains magnesium, which is the relaxation mineral that most of us are deficient in. And if you're sore, it might help. Just soaking in a warm tub feels so luxurious, but adding Epsom salt could also help you sleep better, which then might help you recover faster too. I just get mine at CVS or on Amazon. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or you need a bit more help with your health and fitness journey, why not schedule a free 30-minute consultation? I'm pointing down here because I have a link below. I'd love to help. Just click that link that says book me now, or I think in YouTube, whatever, it'll say the full link, and find a time that works for you. And if you're a woman over 50 and you'd like to get moving and feel better, you should try one of my online workouts designed just for us. I've got low impact cardio, protect your joints, strength training because it's a must as we age, Pilates because a strong core equals a strong body, and now I've got some fun recovery workouts, active recovery workouts. Oh, and you can try all of these free for 7 days. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.